else here? And there's resorts. We're going over to Highlands to go and do some water rides, and then we're going to head over to Volcano Bay. It's looking pretty busy, just it's a long time to get on the bus, and a long time to get through security. I think everyone's just coming at the same time. I think people take it a bit lazier some days, and yeah, we're now about to go to the left for Sea Walk and go and do Ribsall Falls and River Adventure, and then that way we're already wet and we can just go to the walk past and it's no big deal. Just fills up the 4 buses. We went to Ribsall Falls, he said 20-minute wait. We're like, okay, yeah, no worries, we're waiting that. We literally get to the entrance, it says 50. Thank God we saw that. And now we're going to go head over to River Adventure. That's not shot up to, that's showing 25. So always when we want to do the water rides, the wait is up. Because when we don't want to do them, the wait is low. But it's what it is. It is what it is. Let's go and see what Jurassic is saying.
This is Jurassic Park Damage Control. It looks like one of the dinosaurs has knocked your boat off course. There's a 4-boat off course in the raptor containment area. We've got to get those people out of there.
I'll have you around, man.
Please not too much, please not too much. Okay. River Adventure screwed us over. They put us front row, and I got the furthest left as well, so there was nothing that could have been done. It's what it is. No big deal, we're going through all park, it's fine. I just didn't want to look like absolute trash off the bat, but here we are. So let's go around and see what Ribsall Falls is. Let's complete the whole set. I still don't think I can do Popeye. I don't want to be absolutely saturated. Like, I don't mind a little bit.
That's going to do it to you.
Yeah, that will absolutely ruin us. But we'll see. We'll walk around and see what the crack is. Okay, so Ribsall is still at 50. And Skydown's quite high, so we're just abandoning ship. We are going over to Volcano Bay, that's what the words I was meant to say. We're going to go across to there, go say hello to my friends up there, go around some lazy rivers, so that should be nice. Heading across there now. We can manage the little waves. Fine. Yeah, no, I'm okay with that. Move over slightly. Move into it, and I've got no choice then. Okay, so this is where we hope that none of these little people squirt their little buns at us. That's what we've got to hope. There's one. Finds us with one. I'm going to go back and swing. Green? Good green. That was it again. Yes. Hi guys.
Brace yourself for this.
Also, we're going to scrape our legs. Sugar. No, give me rest. So that's us done at Volcano Bay for today. Just a few hours. We chilling out. We went around all the wave pools, wrong words, Lazy River and the Crazy River and the blue and the green slide, the double raft one, so that's fun. Saw my friends, which was very, very nice. We're going to meet up with the lads a bit later for Horror Nights. We're now going to go ahead and get some food, so we're very hungry. We need something to last us through the evening. So yeah, I'll show you what food we end up getting. So we just went to Denny's, got ourselves some food quick. We were worried about time, but they were real super quick. Had some nice like bourbon chicken and vegetables and stuff like that. Very impressed, real good price, real quick, exactly what we needed. I'm suitably stuffed now actually. I'm worried I'm a bit bloated, but it was delicious. So that's only literally, well, if you get from the front of the hotel, it's 10 minutes walk to be fair, but not far at all. Right next to the gated golf there. So, plan of action is we're now going to go cross the road. Do we need to cross here? Yeah. We're going to cross here, quickly nip into 7-Eleven, get ourselves a little energy beverage, and go and get ourselves ready for Horror Nights this evening. A few hours later, we are now at the moving walkways, but we're not, but we are nice next to them at Universal. We are heading into Halloween Horror Nights. All words out there. It is Wednesday, fingers crossed it's not as bad. We've had some rain, who knows what the rest of the night is going to bring to us. We're now about to go meet our friends who we said we'd meet an hour ago, shocker. And yeah, ready for a fun night ahead. It's going to be really cool to see their reactions to a lot of things. I think they're a bit apprehensive, which we were when we did it, so hopefully we'll give them a good night. And yeah, lots of houses done. Fingers crossed. Hi guys. Good evening.
Well, their own films that they made up.
just come out of our first house, we did Slaughter Cinema 2. Took our friends through it. They were a bit anxious, but it was real good. They enjoyed it. They're just laughing at me. I don't think I helped because I'm so apprehensive and like scared and looking every way. So I think I made them a bit more scared, but they had fun, and that's the main thing. They felt that kind of like, I don't know, just that rush of adrenaline, like, oh, they're gonna get you. And so real fun. It's real nice to see that people like have got fresh eyes on the situation. So real cool. It's really hot. It's great. We've just got another beer. We're gonna go to museum. It was showing 30. Fingers crossed. That's how much it was. We waited probably the right time for Slaughter Cinema. I think it was about 35, but it wasn't too bad, but we'll take it. So yeah, we're now in Simpsons Land, and we're now going to go to a museum. Happy birthday. It's not the greatest, but we just come out of museum. Really good run through. It's a really fun house. I really enjoyed that one. Just the aesthetics and the scare stuff are really good. It was actually a walk on, which was a mistake buying a beer beforehand. We had to chuck. The boys really enjoyed it, which is the main thing. They're off now. They've just tried to get a stay pub, and whilst we get another drink, we don't know what we're going to go on to next. We're going to let them choose where we go next, not just defined by the weight. The rain's starting to spit a little bit. Hopefully it just remains at a spit. But yeah, it's a real good night. Scare actors have gone in, which is a bit of a shame, but that is a good thing for them. They're actually pleased that they've gone in, so good all round. So we just went through Ghostbusters. It was a 60-minute wait, and it was true to it. But it's such a good house, and it's one that like my friends are really looking forward to the most, and they really loved it. So it's worth it. It's really good. We're now going to head on to Monstrous. Fingers crossed. The weather had a little bit of a spell, but again, it's really nice. Back now, so Monstrous showing 25. Fingers crossed it is. We're not still young. We're about like at 10 o'clock now, and we're now about to go into our fourth house, which isn't the worst 3 hours in the grand scheme. We've been taking it relatively easy at first and been selective of the houses, but now we're just going to whatever. But yeah, we're having a really good time. So that's exactly what it's all about. We did Monstrous, and it was a bit of an okay run through, but the end got me. Yeah, the end got me. Like, oh, to be fair, anybody I know would have been out here by now, so I don't need to. It's no spoilers. But there's someone waiting at the end, and he was literally staring at me in the eye when out of the curtain. So it was fantastic. I was gone, and apparently he walked after me, but I was too far gone. So now we're going on to House 5. Oh, there's a nice light. House 5 of the night. We're going to go to Goblins now. It's showing 15 minutes. So at least we smashed out half of it for these guys. So that's pretty good. And I think that might be a night after that, but we'll see. Just out of Goblins. It was a really good run through. Really fun. So there was like a triple whammy in there. Real good. We're now going to go to Universal Monsters because it's just there as well. 35 minutes. Let's see how long that takes. Try and get a sick one out for the boys. Let's go out Monsters. Got us real good. Got us real good a couple of times. Lovely. There's a real good scare in there, and it got me because I waited for it. I knew it was there and I wanted to see it, and then someone else got me on the return of that. We're now going through Fulham House. Someone's going to get me. I need to get me. Purge. Good evening. Have a good day. What? That's naughty, isn't it? Happy purge. Oh, Megan. Nice. Biddy. Thank you very much. Hello, have a good. Whoa! Have a good night. Thank you so much. Hello, friend. Oh my god, that was really close. Good evening. There's lots out tonight. Hi. Golden, hello, oh hello. So much fun. Get him. Oh gosh, hello. And then okay, a few hours has passed. I can't remember the last time I talked. I think it was after Monstrous. We done a few more houses after that, to be fair. We'd gone and done Goblins, Monsters, Major, Triplets, and we finished with Quiet Place as well. So we did 9 houses. We had a real good run of things, to be fair. And I'm really happy for the guys that we were with tonight. We were just there for one night, so I'm really happy for them that we did 9 houses, so that's nice. Real fun night, lots of fun, lots of laughs. It rained for a little bit, nothing crazy, so that was good. Yeah, really good run. Lots and lots of fun, but we're all pretty knackered now. We hit it till the end, to be honest. We just couldn't fit Insidious in because it never went below 35. But yeah, lots of fun. You see, I went through a few of the scare zones as well. We did all of the scare zones tonight too for them, so I'm really happy for them. They had a really good experience and we had a really good night too. So that's going to be it for today. Probably going to hit up Islands or some Universal thing tomorrow to meet up with my friends too. And yeah, we'll see what's going on. I'm going to go eat lots of snacks now. I finish the night and watch the VMAs because they're on the TV now also, as it's what's the time now?
2 o'clock.
It's 2 o'clock, cool. So yeah, we're going to sign off for this evening. Thanks for long.